By default, the bedrooms, bathrooms, and area fields in the Real Estate Manager search form appear as regular text input fields. Let's see how we can easily turn them into dropdowns with predefined values or ranges. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Real Estate Manager and Settings, then search Settings here. You'll find 3 settings: Search Area Options, Search Bedrooms Options, Search Bathrooms Options. Each of these has a text area where you can define the options you want to display as a drop-down. For example, to convert the bedrooms field into a drop-down with specific values, you can enter each value on a new line like this: 1 2 3 4 plus. This will create a drop-down with these 4 options on the search form for bedrooms. You can also define ranges like 1 to 3 to include all properties with 1, 2, or 3 bedrooms. 1 plus to include all properties with 1 or more bedrooms. These same rules apply to the bathrooms and area fields as well. After entering your options, click Save Settings. Now when you go back to your search form, you'll see dropdowns instead of plain input fields for these properties. And that's how you can customize the bedrooms, bathrooms, and area search fields to show dropdowns in Real Estate Manager. It's a simple tweak that can greatly improve the user experience on your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.